Are you looking for an insurance policy that allows you to take advantage of market opportunities when they occur? A variable life insurance policy is designed for investors willing to assume a greater degree of risk in the hope of achieving increased returns. With a variable life insurance policy, the death benefits and cash values vary with the performance of the underlying investments. The premiums you pay are allocated among a variety of investment options offering different degrees of risk and reward. These options could include stocks, bonds, a combination of both, or a fixed account that guarantees interest and principal. In this way, a variable life policy shifts much of the investment risk from the insurance company to you. If the underlying assets perform well, there is the potential for higher cash values and higher death benefits. However, if those same investments perform poorly, cash values and death benefits would drop accordingly. To find out more about the benefits and risks of variable life policies, call us today.